7, that of the North American P-51 Mustang airframe and the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. The story is well known, but bears the repeating. When North American came up in record time with its new fighter aircraft, originally designated as the NA-73, and conceived to meet a requirement of a British purchasing commission in New York, searching for new fighter types for the Royal Air Force, it did so with an airframe powered by the Allison V1710 engine. That an outstanding aero engine in its own right. And the Mustang airframe was tremendously slippery, aerodynamically efficient and high performance. The famous wartime PR blue livery. We'll be seeing that aircraft airborne once again as part of our Spitfire and Hurricane big wing at the conclusion of the show. But please do show your appreciation already having been attacked and trailing smoke. The two Hispano HA-1112 Buchons. This, of course, the Spanish type being a type that's regularly featured as a film star in such famous productions as Battle of Britain, Memphis Belle and Dunkirk, is also an aircraft type with a very significant combat record in its own right. A saga that led to that rather ironic combination. The Spanish connection with the 109 itself went back to the Spanish Civil War and the Legion Condor, Germans operating with Franco's nationalist forces. They began using the aircraft as early as mid-1937. When the conflict ended in April 1939, nearly 50 Bf-109s were left for use by the Spanish Air Force, and yet more were delivered new from the Messerschmitt factory in Germany. The Spanish company Hispano Buchon obtained a license to build the Bf-109